Dieppe Castle is a medieval fortress founded in 1188 by King Henry II. Built on the cliff to the west of the town and harbour, its location gave the castle a commanding view. The original castle didn't last long. In 1195, King Philip II of France attacked and destroyed the castle. During the 14th century, the castle was restored, with a large part being rebuilt and designed by Charles de Maretz in 1433. Designed as a quadrangular keep with round flanking towers and a drawbridge across a moat, the castle was rebuilt in several architectural styles. The restored castle keep and towers are made from flint and sandstone. Bastions and various other outer buildings were added later using bricks, including the town walls built around 1360. In 1694, Dieppe was destroyed by Anglo-Dutch bombardment, but the castle survived and became a military barracks until 1923. The town bought the castle in 1903, and today it is a museum housing a magnificent collection of ivory carvings and Dieppe's nautical historic artifacts.
I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.